we're going to show you how to change the air cuff for your BP Doctor Pro smartwatch. When you purchase the spare air cuff, it will come with a Phillips screwdriver and some screws. We recommend changing it on a soft surface so as not to scratch the glass of the smartwatch. We will also recommend switching off the smartwatch, as you may press on the buttons accidentally during the air cuff replacement. So to begin, we'll remove the air cuff from the watch band. Using the screwdriver, there are two screws over here that you need to remove in order to change the air cuff. Take the new air cuff . Now you need to place it over the two holes over here. Slot it in and press it down. Then take the new screws and put it in. Screw in the new screw. There, it's done. Put back the elastic band into the watch band. And the air cuff replacement is completed.